Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up an automated TikTok affiliate outreach bot using Browserflow. So Browserflow is just a Chrome extension that allows you to automate certain web tasks. And I've provided you with the link to the shared flow. If you came through LinkedIn, I probably gave you the link already. And if you're watching this on YouTube, just reach out to me on LinkedIn and I'll give you the link to this flow. But Browserflow is, like I said, you can automate certain tasks on the web. The plan that I'm using is $99 a month. You can do the free plan, but with the free plan, you're limited to 1 minute per run. So that pretty much means like you can only reach out to 2 to 3 creators in 1 minute, and that's going to stop. So you really need this $99 a month, unlimited time per run. I'm not affiliated with Browserflow, but $99 a month, super cheap. A lot cheaper than a lot of the hundreds of dollars that a lot of these bots are charging. I've seen some bots charging $500 a month, which is just super expensive to me. So $99 a month is what you'll need here for Browserflow. So once you have access to this flow, I'll provide it to you. You click Use Flow, and it'll kick open a Chrome extension that you need to set up. So you need to download the Chrome extension, and you'll need to download the Chrome extension, sign up for Browserflow, and it'll open up a page like this. So here's the flow. There's a couple things you'll need to change. Two things actually. Number one is when the flow is running, it's going to search TikTok for your product name. So if you go down here, it says your exact product name. You need to type in the exact name for the product. So exactly how you have it set up in TikTok. So you can go to your seller center in TikTok or the open collaboration, just copy the product. So copy the exact product title, and we'll go into Browserflow and paste that in here. And then the second thing we need to change is the message to the creator. So if you go down below, it says send a message. Then below that, it says your message to the creator. This is where you want to type in exactly what you want to say to the creator. So I have an example here. It said, let's collaborate. I like to put that in the first two words because that's the first thing they see. We came across your TikTok. You'd be perfect fit to try our products. Please request a sample through TikTok. We can give you 20% of all sales. Let me know if you're interested. You can change it around. That's just a template that worked for me. So once we have those two things changed, your message and the title of the product, you have everything pretty much set up. So what you're going to do is then go to Find Creators. You're going to type in your criteria for the creators you're looking for. I like to do GMV 1,000 to 10,000 and 10,000 plus. That way you're not finding small people, small creators that just really don't generate any volume. The next thing I like to do is independent creators, so we're not dealing with any agencies. And also like to put in the category of the products. But feel free to put in whatever filters you want. I also like to filter by relevancy and not any of these other filters because a lot of times you get repeats if you filter by GMV. You'll still also get repeats of the relevancy, but you get a lot of new faces show up on this list. Don't worry about sending the same message twice to people. The bot will automatically ignore creators that you've already sent the message to. So once you have everything set up here, you want to load up this page. Then you're going to go to Browserflow and pretty much just click Run Flow. So actually, I can't show you because it's going to interfere with this Loom video, but I'll attach a separate clip of how it'll run. You can run this on your computer in a new Chrome tab as you work throughout the day. You can also, what I like to do, just if you're going to have lunch, let the flow run for 30 minutes to an hour and it'll reach out to hundreds of people. You can also let it run overnight if you want to keep your computer active. Yeah, so as long as the flow is running, it'll be reaching out, going down the list, reaching out to everybody. It'll continue to load more people on this list. And then what will happen is you'll need to go into creator messages. I like to do this like once a day. So you turn off the flow, pause the flow, then come into creator messages. and just go through here and see who replied, right? And just talk to the people that replied to your message. A lot of people say like, "Oh, I can't request a sample," blah blah blah. I just ignore them, right? I'm only looking for these big people that are gonna really make a difference in promoting the brand. So anybody that replies to us will pop up first, and then you'll also see underneath sample requests, these people that send sample requests will pop up here, and you can just go through and filter through and send samples if you'd like. So that's how to automate affiliate outreach using Browserflow. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help you get it set up. I think the flow should be able to handle a lot of the errors that pop up in TikTok. I designed it to handle a lot of those errors. But if you have trouble setting it up, let me know. Happy to help you set it up. Thanks for watching.